In this video we are going to use 2-part silicone resin to cast a burrito warmer which will attach to a motorcycle exhaust. I am making this as an accessory to my motorcycle because I often go on long day trips and would like the ability to carry a hot meal with me for hours. For tools and materials you are going to need the following: 2-part silicone resin, a 3D printer with filament, a hose clamp to attach to the exhaust, super glue, petroleum jelly, and some miscellaneous nuts and bolts to hold the mold together. In order to make this product, we are going to use 3D modeling software to design the final shape. The final product will have an inner diameter of 3.5 inches and a length of 8 inches. With the final design complete, we will create a mold using the negative geometry of the burrito holder. This will require the mold to be made in 3 main parts: a top, a bottom, and a core. The core will be used to maintain the void in the center of the part where the burrito will go. We are going to use a 3D printer to create the final mold. Due to the large size of each part, the mold will be printed in 6 parts, then glued together before the resin is poured. Once all parts of the mold have finished 3D printing, we are going to join the 2 parts of each section with superglue. Let the glue fully cure before proceeding. After the glue has cured, apply petroleum jelly to all interior surfaces to assist in releasing the final part. Use mineral spirits to thin petroleum jelly as needed. Use nuts and bolts to hold the completed mold together. Lightly apply super glue to the axial seam to prevent resin from leaking out during pouring. In a disposable cup, mix a 1:1 ratio of resin and hardening agent until thoroughly blended. Pour the resin into the mold, rotating to get even coverage. Continue until the mold is full. Follow the instructions in the resin documentation for the full cure time. Carefully remove the burrito holder from the mold. Trim away any excess silicone. My part ended up with a thinner wall than expected due to an air bubble that had formed in the mold. However, the part was still functional. I attached the burrito warmer to my motorcycle with a hose clamp and went for an 80-mile ride. At the end, my food was still warm.